Getting social with English, understanding slang and colloquialisms in social media. Hello everyone. Today, we'll dive into the fascinating world of English slang and colloquialisms as they appear in various social media contexts. Understanding these can help you grasp the nuances of English language usage on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and others. So, let's get started. Slang and colloquialisms are informal forms of speech, often specific to a particular group or culture. In social media, these informal terms and phrases evolve quickly, reflecting current events, popular culture, memes, and internet humor. Remember, using slang and colloquialisms can make your English more natural and fluent in a casual setting, but they are often less appropriate in formal or professional contexts. Let's explore some common examples you might encounter. LOL, short for laugh out loud, used to express amusement. OMG stands for oh my god, used to express surprise or disbelief. TBH, short for to be honest, often used to introduce a candid observation or opinion. In case you missed it, stands for in case you missed it, typically used when resharing information or content. TBT, short for Throwback Thursday, a weekly theme where users post old photos or reminisce about the past. It's crucial to understand the context when using and interpreting slang and colloquialisms. For example, salty usually refers to being upset or bitter, but in a food-related post, it simply describes a taste. Similarly, lit might mean exciting or amazing in one context, but it can also refer to being under the influence of alcohol in another. One of the exciting aspects of social media is how quickly language can change. New words and phrases can become popular overnight and fade just as quickly. So, staying updated with current trends is vital. You can do this by following popular social media accounts, reading online articles about social media trends, and even using slang dictionaries and resources. Slang and colloquialisms add color and expressiveness to the English language, especially in social media contexts. Understanding these can help you communicate more effectively and naturally on these platforms. Keep practicing, stay curious, and keep up with the latest trends. We hope you found this video helpful. Catch you on the next one.